Hello Potterhead friend and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Piote, a French who's based in Tokyo. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this. You know, Newt is using this toy in Crimes Are Grindelwald to catch a zoo on the bridge named Pont Alexandre III in Paris. Well, to follow my DIY, you need this. Disclaimer, I'm not a sewing professional, those two patterns are pure improvisation. At this point, I didn't know if I had enough feather to cover everything, so just in case, I prefer match the polystyrene ball with the head. By the way, I didn't really pay attention, but in the movie the back of the toy is flat and covered with a piece of black fabric. So if you don't have many feathers, you can cut the polystyrene ball in half, cover the curved face with the fabric head, and cover the flat face with a black piece of fabric. Or you can keep the full polystyrene ball like I do and completely cover it with feathers. So why a polystyrene ball for this DIY? Because it's really easy to stick anything in this kind of stuff. All you have to do is some small holes in the polystyrene ball with a sharp tool like thick needles, then put some Mod Podge on your feather and stick it into the small holes like this. Et voilà! I hope you enjoyed this video. My friend Mitsugi helped me with the intro and this outro. We also took pictures there, so if you want to see more, everything will be on my Instagram, Piotr Moore. A new video coming really soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you soon, Potterhead friends, bye!